Hey guys, this is kind of my walk around and startup of my 450. I'm gonna be rebuilding it a little bit for MX, and I thought I'd do a startup, and I'll show you guys what I kind of did to it. As you see, I did race cut fenders. Look really good. I used the Dremel. Sorry if the video quality is not very good. I'm using my GoPro. Let's give you a good look at it. Looks awesome. Alright, and first thing, I'm getting some wheels and tires. They're going in the back. I'm getting Maxxis MX with probably steel wheels or ITP T9s, whatever I can afford at the time. So I'm going to start it up for you guys. Oh, sorry cat. Let me set this down. There you go. Alright guys, so that's it. That's just some of the stuff I'm doing right now. I got my number plate on. Slowly but surely it's going to start coming together, so I'll start making a series of videos on it. So I just thought I'd post this up. Tell me what you guys think. I guess I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, see you later.